Welcome back to Brains World with your host, that crazy Karmann Ghia guy. Today, we're unloading a 30-year barn find, a 1970 Karmann Ghia coupe, which could be yours after we do the restoration. So let's go check it out and see what we need to do.
Welcome to Brains World 23! Let's rock!
All right, this is Roberta. She's one of the vehicles I got on my archaeology trip of 2,000 miles, over 3 days approximately. She's a 1970 Karmann Ghia coupe, and she has the original window sticker. She also runs, so I'm gonna work on her a little bit and get her painted and get her on the road. She was in the garage kept, not even seen the daylight for over 30 years when I bought her. Isn't that incredible? Barn find. What a beautiful sight. I mean, look at her. She's got a nice nose on her, really sexy. Guy was working on her a little bit. You know, there's a headliner he started and just different things. He was working on some body work. About 30 years. Now she's seen daylight all the way up here in Caribou, Maine. All right. We'll talk to you again soon. This is my 1970 Karmann Ghia project car. It's a coupe. Its name is Rosie. She was located in a garage. It sat for 30 years. She is beautiful. Look at the condition she's in. Floor pans are good. Everything's good. It's not going to take too much to restore this car. Thanks for watching another episode of Brains World. After 30 years of being in a barn, you can help support this Karmann Ghia and the rest of our efforts on saving other Ghias by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, if you could suggest a color we should paint her, what interior might look best in this Ghia, let us know. Rust, rescue, and repeat on another Karmann Ghia adventure. And we'll see you next time on Brains World.
Brains World 23. Follow us on Facebook.